Guys, this is the food I give because it's not my fault. And the fish is here. As you can see, this is the fish food here. And I will put water first. So they're fighting because they want to enter here. You see, I have to put water like this. As you can see, this is the fish food. And this is the fish here. You can watch them now eating. I have to put all this place here. So they even for the babies here. And also for the others here. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Share for now. So when you want to catch the fish, you just go like this here and you catch. So you see, and you remove them. You want to see bettas here, also bettas here. You see this beautiful betta here, and also I have this beautiful betta here. Look this guppies, and also the orange guppy. Also look at this betta. Beautiful pink betta here, and also hey, look at this. I'll catch this one for you. Look how beautiful this one is. So that's the way I catch. Hey, look at this one. We call this one koi betta. This one is koi betta. You see, different color. So different type of bettas here, and also another type of big fish here. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget subscribe, share and like, because I made this video just for you to enjoy the fish here. You want to keep more? Very easy. Check this now. You see this male here? Look at this male here. It's very difficult to catch them. It's difficult to catch the males. So it's beautiful, nah? Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Look at these two males. Wow. They're friends and they can live together because this is a breeding. It's a breeding. I breed them here, and I just want them to live together. If you go to the pet shop, it will not be easy to put two bettas together. But here, you can do this because this is the breeding for people. You have to buy the breeding person. Yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.